name is Lance Cofffman. So I'm a business consultant for Efactory and Missouri Small Business Development Center. And I primarily work with business owners one-on-one. Many of the businesses I work with are looking to grow and expand. Some of them are looking for finances. Others are looking to cut costs or find ways to improve their marketing. To do this job well, you do have to have a base understanding of many different industries and many different types of organizations. This job is ideal for somebody who really likes to solve problems, who likes to communicate with people and find ways to help them work through issues that they may not have a correct perspective to understand. If you want to be a business consultant, there's two main elements that you have to have. One is an education. You have to know what you're talking about. You have to be able to speak to a lot of different situations pretty quickly. Working your way up through other companies is important too. So you're not just a frontline worker, but you get to see a lot of the managerial issues and you get to help with a lot of different aspects of the business. I have started several companies myself in the past and used to be a director, online marketing director for an agency. So I have a lot of different experiences, and I found this job almost by accident, and I've been here a little more than 5 years and absolutely love it. It's really a rewarding position. I feel blessed to have found it. My favorite part is the impact that I get to have on individuals. I get to help business owners and potential business owners realize their dream. At the same time, I know that there are so many employees that I get to help support, and I'm supporting those employees and those families and really helping our economy as a whole.